Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friend's calling me in. If you're not new here, thanks for joining. Today, I have a hair video. It's been a little while since I've done a hair video, and I thought what better day than today to talk about hair. Because I was sent an amazing package from Leeven Hair. If you don't know about Leeven Hair, let me tell you. They are an online wig company. They do sell from Amazon. So if you're an Amazon Prime member like I am, you can get some great affordable wigs with free shipping, and they come with, if you're Prime, they come with like 2-day shipping. So they sent me this wig. I'm going to just read a little bit from the actual Amazon website, which I have up on my phone right here. This is the Leeven 24-inch copper red headband wig, silk straight wig, heat-resistant hair fiber, glueless, non-lace front headband wig. So they sent me that wig, which also came with 2 wig caps. And then they also sent me a variety of headbands. We got a pink one, a flowery one, this one with just kind of reminds me of butterfly designs on it, black and white one, this other floral one which is more like a green kind of color, and then this blue and white one. And they're to be worn with the wig. Let's pull the actual wig out of the bag. I love that all of their wigs come wrapped up nicely in their Leeven bag here. Now I have already pulled this out and tried it on, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is the wig. It is very long. It is a beautiful, like a natural redhead copper kind of color. As you can see, it has this thick black band going around it, which is like a built-in headband. And then these you can put over top to customize any way that you want. On Amazon, this exact wig retails for $36.99 Canadian. So $37 for a wig, and the hair looks amazing. This has got to be by far one of the most realistic looking wigs that I own. And I own a few. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on. I got a wig cap here. I'm going to start by taking my glasses off. And try to move my bangs back here. This is the fun part. We're going to look beautiful here in a second. Don't we look pretty? Alright, so there's really no easy way of putting this on camera. What I usually do is I find the front of my wig, which is right here. I'll flip it around so I have the back of the wig in my hand here. Then I will flip myself forward and kind of put it on. See if I can stand behind my chair here. So this is the back of the head in my hands right here. Okay, so we have this situation that is looking like this. We've got these little flaps on the side. There's just Velcro on either end of these. And we're gonna take these and we're gonna wrap them around to the back of the head, underneath all of this hair. pull that up over my ears a little bit, and I'm gonna slide that up so it's not right over my eyebrows. All right, this is the wig with just the built-in headband on. You can see it is quite long. I think it looks beautiful. Love it. Love the color. Love how the hair feels. It's not like overly shiny either, where it looks like plastic hair, like a lot of synthetic wigs will look. Now, to pick one of these headbands. They also sell these headbands in packs. I think this is like one variation of a pack. I will link the wig and these headbands all down in the description box below. So if you're interested, just go down, check that out, click the link. It'll bring you right to their page. Because I am wearing black and white skulls here, we're going to go with the black and white headband. Pull it out, it's just a regular headband. So I'm gonna put it all the way around my head. And then I'm going to take this part, pull it up just so it covers where that black part of the headband is going. Just like so. I'm gonna brush through the hair a little bit. It got a little tangly. It's not shedding really bad, which is great. Normally with synthetic wigs, when you run a brush through them, especially as rough as I just did, you will pull out a lot of hair. Not much hair came out. What do you guys think? I think it looks fabulous. If the shine is a little too much for you, a way to get around that is to just spray some dry shampoo in it. I don't think that it's overly shiny where it looks like fake hair, so I'm not going to load the product into it. But keep that in mind if you ever do receive a wig and it just looks a little too shiny. Take some of your dry shampoo and just spray it in there, rough it through your fingers. It'll knock that shine right out. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of this wig down below. Do you love it? I love it. I kind of want it in more colors now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this short little quick and easy clip here. If you like these kinds of videos, then please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then you know you got to hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.